Good morning from Costa Rica. It is early, so we are going to the jungle today. We just got to Costa Rica yesterday, really long travel day. So this is the hut that I stayed in last night. The main house is right here. It's an Airbnb that we rented. The kids' house, the boys are staying in another house over here. Let's see if they're awake. I want to go wake up the boys, Lincoln and one of his best friends, Kai. They stayed in their own little hut. Oh, the door's locked. Smart boys. Good morning. Good morning, Kai.
Good morning.
Good morning, Lincoln. Time to go get some breakfast. Yay! Yesterday you were sad that we didn't wake you up for breakfast, so this day I'm waking you up for breakfast. How's the jungle sleep?
Great.
Great. Did you hear any noises last night? There's all kinds of noises. Look at that. There's a banana tree right outside this place. Where's the monkeys? Oh, there they go. He was just sitting outside of our window checking us out. We tried to get him, but he's too quick. He just jumped along the branches like Tarzan, but we're gonna go see a bunch of them today, hopefully. Okay, so today we are in Manuel Antonio National Park. It's one of the largest national parks here in Costa Rica. And we're gonna go walk around and see some animals. Now, they checked our backpacks before. You're not allowed to bring sandwiches or food or anything because they don't want the monkeys to come and like take your food. You don't want to feed them. We're gonna walk for a while, see lots of animals, hopefully some sloths, hopefully some monkeys, and then we're gonna end up on a beach that's a part of the beach that's only accessible from the park. We'll show you what kind of wildlife we see, and then it should be a fun day.
Got it right in the scope. Way up high. Aw, that's so cute.
All right, Lincoln, what have you seen so far in the jungle?
2 toucans, one monkey that just like walked right across it, and then the other one was a deer, a doe.
I think there's a monkey or a bird up there in the tree.
I think it's a toucan, maybe.
Yeah.
Like from Fruit Loops. Okay, it's gonna be hard for you to see because it was hard for me to see even from close up with binoculars, but that's a green, red-eyed tree frog that come out at night. But it's super camouflage. I don't even know how everybody saw it, but that was it.
His dad's dressed up as the guy from Jumanji.
Everybody keeps making fun of my hat.
No, it's your backpack and your hat.
Why is my hat? It's a nice little hat. I don't think it's that dorky looking. It's a golf hat. But everybody's giving me a hard time ever since I woke up and came in this morning. I'm the guy from Jumanji. Let me know in the comments. Are the kids right or am I right? Do I look so cool or dorky?
Right.
Got it?
Yeah. I'm gonna bite you, Kai. Kai's good.
It's kind of hard to see, but that right there is a red crab. I'm zoomed in as far as I can. Watch this. That's how far away he is. Look at all that bamboo right there. Just full of bamboo. It's just spilling over into the forest. And you can hear the howler monkeys. They're somewhere off in the distance, but listen quietly. Hear that? Sounds like a dog barking. That's actually howler monkeys. All right, you want to see a monkey jump? Watch this little guy right here. He's gonna jump over. Here he goes. See that?
I need a monkey as a pet.
As a pet? We are done looking at animals. And then the end of this tour is you get to the beach. Supposedly, it's a beach that's part of the state park. It's preserved, kind of. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. These little monkeys are savages, man. They just go around, take people's stuff. People are throwing sand at them. There are like thousands of people on this beach. It was so stinking hot walking through the jungle that it does feel good to get in the water. How's it going? Where's the fish? Oh, look at the little jellyfish. Don't touch that.
What is that?
Jellyfish.
Not a jellyfish, Dad.
Yeah, it is. That was a jellyfish. Okay, that was a jellyfish. Hopefully you saw it. I got really close to it. Oh, Leslie got stung by it a little bit earlier, so she's on the shore. I would say if you're gonna go to the jungle tour, do the jungle tour and check it out, but the Espadilla Beach down the road has really cool waves. This one, it kind of drops off really fast. The waves aren't as big, but it also drops off, so it gets pretty deep. And it's nighttime. We came back here to our Airbnb, and then we went swimming in the ocean for a little while. Look at this pool. The lights change. What's up, girls? How's the water?
You're blinding me, Dad.
Can you show me a trick?
Yes, I can.
Woo, backflips. I want to show you this whole Airbnb in case some of you guys are thinking about going to Costa Rica. One interesting thing about it is there's a full-time guard. I really don't think it's that dangerous here in Costa Rica, but we have a guard. Let me show you. So there's a little house up there, and that's our security guard slash house taker, housekeeper kind of thing. Just in that little house. All night he stays up. He's the night shift guy. He stays up all night. And the crazy thing is, we left today, the house was a mess. There's a maid that comes and cleans it up. Now this place is not super expensive. I'll put a link in the description. Way cheaper than a hotel, and you get so much more from it. We're gonna go eat some yummy dinner, show you some of that, and then talk about what's coming tomorrow. You're the cook. What is this meal?
This is pasta. We have fresh tomato salsa and then white mushroom salsa.
Is this a common meal in Costa Rica?
This is a family recipe. Not very common in Costa Rica.
Fuego en mi corazón. Fuego.
Where did all the ice cream go?
Where do you... On the ground.
Put it in your tummy. It's not on the ground.
You know we got this for a reason.
Hershey stuff.
I'm surprised there's actually Hershey.
We'll see.
Oh yeah, dump it in. Oh yes.
That's
I'm gonna
a
just
lot.
drink it like a drink.
Okay, now this might sound crazy, but go with me here. Guacamole inside of it.
That's
I'll do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Today it was kind of like a mashup of our day, so hopefully you enjoyed it. It's pretty random, but we had fun. We saw lots of animals. We went to the beach. Good night, and come back tomorrow if you want to see Costa Rican Airbnb, VRBO, whatever you call them, beautiful rental home. What is that show? MTV Cribs style, maybe. We'll see. Okay.
Blink, blink.